Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her house, partly by train and partly by bus. So we'll find the distance that she travels by train and bus. We take the speed of the train and bus and the time taken for the journey. So she's traveling a total distance of 300 kilometers. Okay, and here it's given she travels 60 kilometers by train. So I'm going to put here 60 kilometers by train. So by bus it would be the remaining of the journey. Remember, she travels an entire journey of 300 kilometers. If 60 is traveled by train, how much would she travel by bus? And that would be 300 minus 60. So what she would travel by bus would be 300 minus 60, and that would be 240 kilometers. We'll take the speed of the train as x and the speed of the bus as y. Now we know distance equal to speed into time. So time will be distance over speed. So for time we will do distance over speed. So the time for train will be distance of the train, that is 60, over the speed, that is x. We call it time 1. And the time traveled by the bus is also distance over speed. So for the bus, distance is 240 and the speed is y. So we call this time 2. Now here again it will give it takes 4 hours to complete the entire journey. So time by train plus time by bus is equal to 4. And time by train we have seen is 60 by x over time by bus is 240 by y, which is equal to 4 hours. So we now got our equation 1. I will take up the second case. In the second case now, she will travel 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. So we now make the table with 100 kilometers by train and the remaining, that will be 200 kilometers by bus. The train and the bus. So now if she gets 100 kilometers by train, so that is 100 kilometer by train and the remaining by bus. So again remember, she travels a total of 300 kilometers. Now 100 she's going by train is 100 kilometers. Therefore by bus would be the remaining, and that would be 300 minus 100, and that would be 200 kilometer by bus. So this is 200 kilometer by bus. The speed of the train we have taken as x and of the bus as y, and we know the time is distance over speed. So for the speed for train would be distance over speed. Bus, distance over speed. She takes 10 minutes longer. So earlier she took 4 hours. Here 4 hours earlier. Now she's taking 10 minutes longer. So plus 10 by 60, because remember it is 10 minutes and you got to convert it into hours. So it is 10 by 60. So it is 4 plus 1 by 6. You take the LCM, 24 plus 1 over 6, that is 25 by 6. So time 1, that is by train, plus time 2 is a total time. So T1 plus T2 is 25 by 6. T1 is 100 by x plus 200 by y equal to 25 by 6. To make things easy, I'm going to cross multiply. So I'll take 6 here, So this becomes 100 over x plus 6 here, and we have 200 by y equal to 25. So my first equation was 60 by x plus 240 by y equal to 4. And the next equation, and the second equation is 600 by x plus 1200 by y equal to 25. Now we separate the coefficient from the variable coefficient. This is variable plus here coefficient 240, variable 1 by y equal to 4. 600 coefficient 1 by x variable, 1200 coefficient 1 by y variable equal to 25. Let 1 by x be equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. So here we have now 60, and for 1 by x, here we will put a, this is plus 240, and 1 by y we will put as b, which is now equal to 4. And for the next equation we have 600, 1 by x is a, plus 1200, 1 by y is b, equal to 25. So you write up the equation again, 60a plus 240b equal to 4, 600a plus 1200b equals 25. It's time to equate the coefficient. Here I have 60, here I have 600. So the LCM of 60 and 600 will be 600. So this first equation, 60a plus 240b equal to 4, I need to multiply it by 10 because I need 600. So on multiplying, I'll get 600a plus 240 equal to 40. I write this as equation 3. And this equation I do not change because it is already 600a plus 1200b equal to 25. This is equation 4. So now we'll subtract, we'll change the signs. Here now plus 600 minus 600 cancels out, and this would be now 200 equal to 40 minus 25 is 15. So b is 15 over 1200. Your b works 1 by 80. Now it's time to find a. To find a, I will take up this equation, the earlier equation, that is 60a plus 240b equal to 4. So here is my equation. This is my equation 1. So let me substitute now 60. And for a, I'm going to put 1 by, so this is my a here. I have to substitute for b. So 240 into, for b I put 1 by 80, and this is equal to 4. So 60a plus 3 equal to 4. Here I reduce it, cancels and becomes 3. So 60a equal to 4 minus 3, 60a equal to 1. So I have a equal to 1 by 60. In the next part, a is 1 by 60 and the b is 1 by 80. Let's go back and see what we had taken our a as. We took our a as 1 by x and b as 1 by b. So for a, 1 by x equal to 1 by 60. So x equal to 60. B is 1 by y equal to 1 by 80. So the y is 80. So x was speed of train. Speed of train is 60 km per hour. and this is speed of bus is 80 km/h.